Video marketing is the future. 83% of businesses think that video marketing gives them a positive ROI. But some people are still unsure if video is the right format for them. Is it worth considering? Can it really bring you positive results? Hey, I'm Mina from Kashu, and today we'll talk about the 8 reasons why you might want to consider implementing video in your marketing strategy. If you want to build trust in your brand, videos can help you a lot. Building trust is the first step in sales and conversions. This is why content marketing is so effective. Providing value for your customers and being consistent can do miracles for your business. Your customers will position you as the expert in the field and they will buy from you. Using videos in your content marketing strategy will help you create more engaging content. YouTubers are the most powerful social media figure to promote brands. 57% of people say they purchased a product after watching a video from a YouTuber. Videos can make you money. Adding a video to your landing page can increase your conversions by 80%, especially if you have a complex product. Videos are so powerful for conversions because they simplify the complex and answer all the concerns your audience might have before purchasing. No one has time to read your About Us page or read the full copy of your website to figure out what it is that you do. They want to see the solution to their problem, and their attention span is very short. So adding a video to your landing page will glue them to the screen. Studies show that 74% of users who watched an explainer video made a purchase after that. And since most of the information we perceive from the world is visual, explainer videos are a very effective tool for boosting sales. Videos can help with your SEO and improve the performance of your website. If you have a video on your landing page, it will help you increase the time spent on the website, and this signals Google that your website has good content, and it also improves your rankings. According to Movely, you're 53 times more likely to rank on Google if you have a video embedded on your website. And if you use YouTube as your content marketing channel and embed the videos on your website, you are even more likely to rank higher in the search. However, if SEO is important for you and you want to take advantage of the power of video, make sure you optimize your videos on YouTube. You can check my video over here where you can find more tips on optimizing your videos for maximum results. If you have a complex product or service, explainer videos are an excellent tool for your business, especially if you have educational content. They are easy to consume and a lot more engaging than an article or an infographic. As I mentioned a few minutes ago, people today would prefer to see rather than to read about a product. This motivates them to move forward with the purchase. If you're into content marketing, using videos is a must. Just look at our engagement on Reels on Instagram compared to the other content we post. The difference is significant, and it tells you a lot about the power of video content on social media. People spend a lot of time on their phones watching videos, so if you don't take advantage of that, your competitors will. Reels on social media helped us 10x our growth in 2 months, so I'm confident it can help your business too. And it's not so difficult to create videos for social media. Video email marketing can increase open rates by 90% and CTR by 65%. We are bombarded with emails all the time, so make sure you stand out by adding a video to your newsletter with valuable information that your audience would love. This will help them gain trust in you and position you as the expert. The bottom line is this: videos can help you increase your sales, gain trust, and help you skyrocket your engagement on social media. If you are unsure how to get started, download our free ebook on creating your video marketing funnel. The link will be in the description below. Thank you very much for your time, and I'm gonna see you next week.